guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your BLACKVIEW TAB 6. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the Fax app. Install EasyFax and open it. After that, allow permissions in camera and to the files. Now click on the plus to choose source of the document. I got something within the gallery. This one for example. Click on the import. Now you can add as a shape your picture or the document. And if you are ready, click accept icon. Choose the file tier for photo to make it more visible. If you are ready, click here. And now type the number in this place. Choose the country from the list. And to send this message for the field, click on this banner and after that on this icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.